Hello everybody and welcome to day 3 of CES. My name is Rolando and today was the day most likely for PC gamers and computer enthusiasts. Most of the information put out there was from companies like Adata, iBUYPOWER, EK, and Kingston, and also Kingston's HyperX, part of the company. So if you haven't seen any of my previous videos of coverage of CES like the first day and second day, you can go to the link in the description below. And this is a recap for Wednesday's CES 2021. Okay, let's start with Adata and the new XPG laptop designed for all type of consumers, no matter if you want it for work or if you want it for gaming. Also, they show the new GameX XPG NVMe drive with support of PCI Gen 4 and capable of reading speeds of 7400 megabytes and writing speeds of 6400 megabytes. At the end, they show the new prototype of DDR5 memory modules that might be available at the second half of 2021. Next, iBUYPOWER shows some of their new all-in-one computers and the new minimalistic case specially designed for gamers that like to carry their PC around. EK Cooling also showed the newest 360mm AIO, new pumps, water blocks, radiators with RGB lighting. Also, they presented the new fans and RGB module and a quick release system for easy mount and dismount of your water cooling hoses. And for last, Kingston had two different press releases, one for Kingston and their new products and the other one for the HyperX enthusiasts. First, Kingston introduced this week the Workflow Station, a docking modular system capable of using 4 different docks all working and transferring data at the same time. Some of the detachable modules are for microSD cards, regular SD cards, USB 3.1, and USB-C 3.2. It's capable of UHS 2 read and write speeds and also backwards compatible with UHS 1. This product is great for content creators that are in need of multiple types of connectivities and modularity to be able to dump all their content. They also show the new small external hard drive with USB 3.2 connectivity and transfer speeds up to 2500 megabytes. And last, they presented their new prototypes of NVMe. One is codenamed Ghost 3 with speeds up to 7000 megabytes on both read and write. Excellent for demanding performance, and the other one is the entry-level NVMe codenamed NV1. And lastly, HyperX showed their Pulsefire Haze gaming mouse with the new lightweight design, customizable with the HyperX Ingenuity for better precision when gaming. And this has been a recap of Wednesday's Day 3 at CES 2021. Remember to like this video, also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. This way you won't miss any of my videos and coverage on CES 2021. If you got any question about any of the products presented at CES or any of the videos that I've been covering so far, make sure that you leave a comment below with the question. I will try to answer as best as I can. Also, make sure that you follow me on social media where I post more information about what is happening this year at CES. Also, remember that tomorrow is Samsung's Unpacked event where they're going to be unveiling their new S21 series of phones and many other products, and I'll be covering that event too, so make sure that you watch for my video tomorrow on the Samsung Unpacked event. Like always, thanks for watching and I will see you tomorrow.